Welcome to Compare to Win. The best microgreen growing jars is probably one of the most convenient and aesthetically pleasing ways to bring fresh, nutrient-dense greens right into your kitchen, allowing you to cultivate your own superfoods with minimal effort and space, transforming ordinary meals into vibrant, healthy creations. Number 5. Nature Gym Sprouts Organic Salad Mix. Easily cultivate your own organic salad mix at home. This blend includes broccoli, alfalfa, radish, and clover seeds, providing fresh, homegrown microgreens in just 5 days. Feel confident knowing every seed is certified organic and non-GMO. Grow nutrient-rich broccoli sprouts and microgreens with peace of mind. These premium microgreen seeds are simple to grow, whether you're a beginner or experienced. Enjoy crisp, healthy sprouts in only 5 days. Enhance your meals with fresh, mineral-rich microgreens. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, they turn any dish into a superfood powerhouse. We have been providing quality organic sprouting seeds since 1955. Our salad mix offers the freshest microgreens possible for your enjoyment. What we like? This option offers a fantastic blend of organic and non-GMO seeds, including broccoli, alfalfa, radish, and clover. It's perfect for those who want a diverse and nutritious mix right from the start. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get a variety of sprouts in just 5 days, this is the choice for you. What people say. The jars are designed to be stackable, which saves a lot of counter space. The drainage system works very well, preventing overwatering and root rot. These jars are perfect for starting seeds indoors, and the germination rate is excellent. Number 4. Elementi Sprouts Growing Kit for Wide-Mouth Mason Jars. Grow your own organic micro-salads with ease. Add fresh, nutritious ingredients to your diet while saving money with a constant supply of greens. Our sprouting lids are crafted from high-quality 316 stainless steel and BPA-free plastic. They are designed for durability and repeated use, unlike lower-quality alternatives that may rust. Easily grow a variety of sprouts like broccoli, beans, and alfalfa at home. These lids transform any wide-mouth mason jar into an indoor greenhouse for your favorite greens. Cleaning and storing is a breeze. Just rinse them under running water for reuse. Their compact design fits easily into any kitchen drawer. Simply soak your seeds, attach the lid, and invert to drain. Rinse and drain daily, and in just 3 to 7 days, you'll have fresh sprouts ready to enjoy. The fine mesh screen ensures even the smallest seeds stay contained while allowing for proper air circulation. This promotes optimal growth for your sprouts. What we like? This product features lids made from high-quality 316 stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust and are built to last. It's designed to fit any wide-mouth mason jar, turning it into an instant indoor greenhouse. If you already have mason jars and want a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-maintain sprouting solution, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Just under 24 hours and my mung bean seeds are sprouting. Easy to use, durable, and very well designed. The mesh is pretty fine enough for quinoa, not so sure about the finest salad seeds. The whole of the plastic part is generous enough for good air circulation and good seed rinsing off the mesh, unlike some competitors who have too much of the top covered by the plastic rim. The metal mesh is a separate disc from the plastic rim. It would never sit inside a rim that had been positioned face up, as in photos, unless it was screwed onto a jar. The good news in that is this way one doesn't have to worry about mesh pulling away from the plastic, as has been a quality control issue with some competitors. This is a rigid and likely higher quality stainless steel mesh that I have every expectation will remain rust-free, and this is easier to get clean of clingy seeds. Number 3. Homegrown Premium Sprouting Seeds Mix. Experience premium quality with our non-GMO sprouting seeds, carefully selected and tested for microgreens that grow in just 5 days. We provide a step-by-step guide for successful sprouting every time. Discover a diverse range of flavors and textures with our premium seed collection. It features alfalfa, broccoli, radish, and clover, perfect for nutrient-dense microgreens and fresh sprouts. Enjoy fresh microgreens and sprouts from your kitchen any time of year. These easy-to-grow seeds are perfect for sprouting jars or kits, regardless of outdoor conditions. Add a crunchy texture and fresh flavor to your meals. These seeds are perfect for salads, sandwiches, wraps, smoothies, and healthy juicing. Our resealable pouch keeps your seeds fresh, providing months of harvests. Equal portions ensure balanced sprouting results for your convenience. These seeds are incredibly versatile, working perfectly in classic mason jars or as microgreens grown in soil or hydroponic trays. Harvest fresh sprouts in just 3 to 5 days. Enjoy a delightful blend of mild, nutty crunch, superfood power, and a zesty kick. It's the ultimate flavor booster for all your favorite dishes. What we like. This mix boasts USA-grown, non-GMO seeds with high germination rates, offering 4 gourmet varieties for a perfect crunchy blend. It's incredibly versatile, working equally well in jars or trays for both sprouts and microgreens. If you appreciate quality sourcing, want a generous supply for continuous harvests, and enjoy experimenting with different growing methods, this is the ideal option. What people say. These seeds grew far better than I expected. At a rate far faster than the jar kit instructions told me to expect. Within 3 days we had wonderfully sized, incredible tasting sprouts. High germination rate. Ready to harvest in days, which makes for semi-immediate gratification. Tastes like mild radishes. Consistent and easy to grow sprout seeds that have been a key part of my diet now for 4 years. After starting the seeds, in 5 to 6 days I have enough sprouts for the week. Number 2. Homegrown broccoli seeds 8-ounce bulk heirloom non-GMO. Experience the incredible speed of our premium seeds. Harvest nutrient-dense sprouts packed with sulforaphane and antioxidants in just 5 days. They are perfect for both sprouting jars and microgreens trays. We guarantee freshness with our high germination, organic seeds sourced directly from the USA. These non-GMO seeds deliver consistent results, making them ideal for everyone from beginners to experienced growers. These organic sprouts are brimming with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Boost your daily meals with living nutrition and enjoy microgreens packed with maximum benefits. Whether you're growing microgreens or sprouts, these seeds are perfect for indoor cultivation year-round. No soil is required for sprouts, allowing you to grow nutritious microgreens right on your kitchen counter in any season. Our organic sprouting seeds are rigorously tested for purity and performance. Fresh sealed packaging ensures viability, and detailed growing instructions are included to support your healthy eating journey. What we like. This option focuses solely on premium, high-germination broccoli seeds, known for their rich sulforaphane content. They are perfect for growing nutrient-dense microgreens and sprouts in just 5 days. If you're specifically seeking the powerful health benefits of broccoli sprouts and want a pure, high-quality source, this is the product for you. What people say. The seedling have plenty of room to sprouts. The germination is 99.99%. 2 teaspoons in a 16-ounce mason jar gave me a bumper crop of sprouts in 4 days. Number 1. Elementi sprouting lids for wide-mouth mason jars. Embrace a healthier lifestyle by growing your own microgreens. It's an easy and cost-effective method to incorporate fresh, organic ingredients into your meals. Enjoy a continuous supply of nutritious greens while saving money. Unlike lower-quality lids that rust, ours are crafted from superior 316 stainless steel and BPA-free plastic. This ensures they are safe, long-lasting, and can be used repeatedly. Effortlessly cultivate your favorite seeds like broccoli, beans, and alfalfa right at home. These lids transform any wide-mouth mason jar into an ideal indoor environment for growing greens. Not only are they user-friendly, but these lids are also a breeze to clean and put away. A quick rinse under water makes them ready for next use, and their compact size fits easily in any drawer. Simply soak your seeds, attach the lid, and invert to drain. Rinse and drain daily, and in just 3 to 7 days, your sprouts will be ready. The fine mesh keeps seeds contained while ensuring proper airflow. What we like. This offering provides a set of 4 durable, reusable sprouting lids made from high-quality 316 stainless steel, designed for wide-mouth mason jars. They are easy to clean and use, making them perfect for any germination project. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to start sprouting multiple batches simultaneously or want to share with family, this multi-pack is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is rust-resistant because it is a plastic lid. It fits my mason jars. It's top-rack dishwasher safe, so it was easy to clean. It's easy to use, just put your seeds in the jar, add water to rise them, add the lid, turn the jar upside down to drain. Rust-free stainless steel, keeps plastic away from your sprouts. The outer ring does not come in contact with the food, but provides good drainage. These lids are good if you want your jars to stand completely vertical. For me, I have found that slanting the jars work better when sprouting. Other than that, they were easy to use and good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.